Appliance Factory and Mattress Kingdom, the nation's largest discount appliance dealer. Visit our website for deals and store locations near you.
Hello, America. This is Keith, your friendly neighborhood technician, coming back at you with some more wonderful information. Today, we're going to talk about the 3 things I dislike about door-indoor refrigerators. If you don't know what I mean, or you call it something different, this is what I mean. You see how this door actually is split right here? That means it's a door-indoor. Okay, so you don't have to open your fridge, to get your stuff in here. Okay, now this pulls out, unlocks it. Now, what I don't like about them is, one, if you're not paying a lot of attention, you grab it, it opens up, you're like, oh geez, it didn't open the whole thing if you grab it incorrectly. Now, it's also, I know, meant for the children to make it easier, but now if it's me, yes, pardon the impression, but I'm a kid coming up, I still can barely reach these shelves. So what's going to happen is I'm going to grab my handle, I'm going to start pulling myself up, which puts a lot of undue strain on your handle. And what happens is, over time, handles start to wobble. Handles start to wobble, things start to break, you have issues with me coming out trying to fix your machine. Okay, like I said, it's basically just a little bitty hook that holds onto that. You know, different manufacturers have different ways of doing this. You can see it wiggling there. This is gonna happen over time. You really can't help that, okay? Second of all, kids slam doors. And we're talking metal on metal, and it just basically will beat it up and abuse it. Whereas you look at this one, okay? See that big beefy hinge under here? There's a very large hinge under here holding this whole door up. And same thing over here. You got a very large hinge holding the door on. But all you have is a little bitty hinge here holding that on. You have, some of these have, you know, tablets on them, some of these have glass on them. That's more things that go wrong, because every time you open it, your wires are doing this. Wires break. It's one of those things that, to me, isn't necessary, but like I said, it is if you got semi-older children. Yeah, they can come up, they can grab their stuff, they can go, no big deal. You just want to be careful, like I said. Kids will be kids, and slamming doors is a problem. That's one of the reasons why, the top 3 reasons why I don't like these door-indoor refrigerators. So don't forget to subscribe to Shoot Your Tail, and come back next week for some more wonderful information, and have a good week.